secretaries, Nyane Minister Katamar Water, is a young man in early 30s. Jogi are inspiring a younger generation. Ni kare ngato nyalo bedo minister. The PS for youth, chon ni yudonga mane in charge of youth, ne ngama 55 by the 60. Temani keto kanyeru ni kechen the young environmental experience moromoji. So there's a transition also on the political front. And people are jostling for space. Look at the governor for Nairobi, Kakaka Won. Saka Jangine and Bas Babu. In fact, Apani Babu Hotel, maybe with a year or so. They are basically the same age. Kuro King Yung Atokaka Babu, Tembo Nanonang, Saka Jainejbet Mara, Manisonia, Kaka Embe time Neoromo, Ekakambe time not in Renard. Kuro Wanyalo Larore. And in trying to do that, Jinya Kadire Konegekone. King Iyo County Kama Migori. Kacha tokuri ngina arome ma tikora. Kichkura it is the right time maunge kapachelo ma inya ya wachina chaka read kata 1 day long. This is a sweet spot. Masani kuru nyakatemranad. So that transition must happen. Oknini cage wanege problem nejo motelo noa. No. Kingi yo kata jo motelo noa. Gimbe at this particular age. For example, ka wacho kata jatendo mara ila molo dinga. Kingio ike tigolo igni moko pradek miduoge into his 40s. Yeah? Somewhere in about 40s. Ngiene kabanentie. He was struggling, he was ambitious. That same ambition emantire jowagi. En manikoro jowa nyaka wabed gi temed ambition mao kwa nyiso ni kech joma dongo gi joma tindo pogruok margi ni en joma dongo osebedo joma tindo. Kato koro gibedo joma dongo. To joma tindo to osebedo joma tindo to pok gibedo joma dongo. Koro wa push ambition marwa lakini weche jodongo be nyaka wawinji learning from the experience. Kech jogo modo atayo is a much bigger community. So transition across this country is happening. To igeni ntie gimoro mabe timore ka. Ntie yiero ma 2027. Kato ntie yiero ma subsequent 2032. King year 2027, Sani, interior crop of leaders modigolo. Either on account of retirement or age or whatever it is the case have. In 2032, another big batch is the goal. But again, we still have a country to run. So, mwech moru ucha jinya kachaka kawuon. Mwech moru ucha nyaka jichaka chaka hati mo practice kawuon. Kata faith eche onyo win okno chako training kodhi kocha. Ochake gine kamano. Kura namena ni jowagi omima na thuolo to express themselves, but in a respectful manner, mondo democracy will take its own course. So that kataka youth bedwa lead agitation magisebe dokago wachani wano kwa included, they have a very big opportunity. And you will see even the number of MCAs, kara members of parliament. King Iyo Nandi, for example, you know the average age is less than 30 of their members of parliament, of their leadership in total. Is actually 26. Okay. The time for a certain generation has also come.
Wewe nuku manyuola manien miwacho ni in time for transition kata lokruok mara nyuola etelo. IBC osewacho ni gigo kwano ni gidhi medo ji 6.5 magoro were lelo. Yiero mokalo nitiere ji 8 manoko go kura. Masani kuro nundu wacho ni wang ni jaka kuro gigo kura nikech giwinjo pek mar kura e debe nikech wogin giwegi mfuko gi